What is up, people that watch my stuff? I am scouting turkeys right now, and there's a group of them about 300 yards right over there next to a bunch of grain bins. They're feeding, and it is 7:30, so they're about to roost. And I'm really hoping that they're going to roost south, because I have a ground blind set up right over there to the south of where they're at right now. So I'm going to sit here in my truck with my binoculars and see what they do. Well, it looks like they're going the wrong direction. Wonderful. Great, grand, wonderful. Yeah, what I was hoping they would do is cross the road and go into this line of trees here, but that doesn't look like it's the case. It looks like they're going back to the west, and they're going to probably go across the river and roost. I am now faced with a difficult decision. Do I come hunt this property in the morning, or do I go to the other one? Because I don't know exactly where they're roosting on the other piece, but I know they're roosting there. And these birds, I know they're roosting about 400 yards to the northwest of my ground blind, but I don't think they're going to pitch down my direction. So I'm thinking what I'm going to probably do is go to the other property and set up in the morning, a little bit conservative, and see if I can get one to come in. And if we don't, then we'll probably head back to this piece around 8:30, and hopefully they're wandering back. So I have a plan. We'll see if it works, or I might change my mind. I'll show footage in the next morning and I'm here, so we'll see what happens. You got him.
Oh, I'm shaking.
You got him. You got your first turkey, babe.
It was kind of a tough shot. I had to lean under the tree.
That didn't take too long. Right off the roost, they came down and checked out the decoy spread. Allie put a great shot on the first one, and then the second one just started hanging out behind it for a while. So we're right next to the river, so I snuck along the bank and crept up and he was right there. Put a good shot on this one too. I'm pretty excited to watch that GoPro footage and see if you can see it on there. Awesome hunt though, really sweet. Boom! That's how it's done.
Done.
That's a wrap.